Alright guys, welcome back. So now we're gonna create a Active Directory user for our server. So we're gonna open it right now. Go desktop and there. Go inside. Just wait for a bit. There you go, and you can open an Active Directory user. And the way we're gonna use a shared folder, so we can insert Active Directory user because there's two types of insertion. It's batches or by manual. Since there's a lot of users to insert, so we're gonna use a batch using a script in CMD. So there you go. We're gonna open. There's a scripts that I used. There you go. The script is already shown. Then I'm gonna open Active Directory user. There you go. So already used earlier some people. There you go. We have S2A. So what we need to do is just open the script, copy that, and go and paste it to Windows PowerShell. There you go, it's opening, and just press enter, then it's gonna run smoothly. There you go. Now it's done. Go back and refresh. WS ID Studio. And just wait for a moment. There you go, now it's installed. I'm gonna create it for the other students. I'm gonna fast forward it and be right. Check everything, so now it's complete. Then just do you can now log in. By the way, I'm logging in from the 7 for mail instance. You need to change the password. There you go. You do the password. Then pressing the messaging the password. Then English settings, desktop. Then there. We are inserted with Jerome Avila as our user. Thank you for watching.